it's Fred from Stencil-Tech here. Just thought I'd give you a tour of our recent job. We've got a double yoker going on here. It's quite a biggie altogether. So we're going to be laying this half today. As you can see, we've got all the 12mm rebar going around, damp-proof membrane. Quite lucky with this one. We had a real good substantial base underneath the tarmac. So very, very strong, very well compacted over the years, up and down.
Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more of Stencil-Tech's products and services, please view our website on www.stencil-tech.co.uk. Also like and share our page on Facebook to keep up to date on our latest products, techniques and deals that we have available. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions or contact a member of our team for more information. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.